How to fix white screen error on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix white screen error on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to fix white screen error on Snapchat, there are certain steps that you'll have to go through. Now, the troubleshooting steps will go. First, simply go ahead and close the application completely. Then, now, you want to go ahead and head over to your Play Store or App Store and look for if the update is available. Go ahead and update it if it is available. Once you have updated it, head over to your settings and head over to the apps option. Once on the apps, look in for the Snapchat option there. And here, scroll down and head into stories. You want to go ahead and clear the cache first and open up the app if the issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then if you have backed up your account, right, if you have the login credentials remembered and you can log in back again, then you can tap on clear data and this will delete all of the app's data. So you can do it and then go ahead and log in back again, and this should fix the issue. However, I'll recommend you to not delete the data and try the other steps beforehand. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.